Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a cross section of an eraser. It looks like this with a trapezium. You can see it as a trapezium and a semicircle. Of course, you can still see it as a triangle, rectangle and semicircle. Calculate the perimeter and the area of this figure. Okay, perimeter will be pretty straightforward. The only thing to take note of is that the 6 cm here is actually the diameter. So for the circumference of this semicircle, and from here you can then see that it is actually of half of 2 pi r, or pi times diameter pi d. 2r is pi d, so it will be half times pi times 6 pi d. I'm going to use the pi d since the diameter is given. Well, this will actually equals to 3 pi. Half times 6 is 3. And so you will then see Mr. Tons working here. We'll include that, where I will have my (10, 12) semicircle, 3 pi, and my 20, 10, 12, semicircle, 20. Yeah. So from here then you can slowly do the calculation. You eventually get 42 plus 3 pi. And finally 51.4 cm when I round it off to 3 significant figures. Well, for the area of the figure, as mentioned, you can either look at it as a trapezium plus semicircle, or a triangle, rectangle and semicircle. Well, Mr. Tan is going to approach this as such. Okay. Triangle, rectangle and semicircle. And from here, you can then see the full working, where I will have my triangle, half times base times height, where of course this one here is actually 20 minus 12, 8. So you will have my triangle plus my rectangle, 6 times 12, plus my semicircle, half times pi r square. R is 3. And from here we can then get the answer. 96 plus 4.5 pi. Final answer in 3 significant figures, 110 cm square. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.